everyone. Today we are going to discuss the another powerful strategy, binary bot automated strategy, which is based on EMA. Normal bot is mostly on martingale. So while you're doing the martingale, what happened is automatically the system put call or put adjust automatically double the amount. Normally the board is running continuously. While applying the strategy with most technical indicators like EMA, RSI or any other powerful indicators support through this board, you can easily control your loss. So today I am going to introduce a new powerful board which is based on EMA, moving averages. It's really profitable. Even the martingale also is not necessary to go to 5 to 6 because the risk is really controlled through this powerful strategy. Okay, so just go into the account. The account just started 2 minutes before. You can easily see here, this is a low investors strategy. I can say that because the risk is really low. It's not giving any frequent trade, but the successful rate is really amazing. You can see here the strategy also following, not continuously following the martingale. You just see here, if you put 0.05, if it is a loss, okay, so the system not automatically double the amount. Okay, they're giving the chances for another call without any martingale. Okay, so just see here another call for without martingale. If the another call is successful, then only just accumulating the loss by the way of giving the another important call. Okay, so you just see here these 36 almost cover up with this one. Okay, and then the next calls is going to be the successful, and that's why I told that you don't get frequent like of $10 10 minutes, $5 10 minutes like that. I cannot guarantee on that, but this strategy, if you are the beginner, you don't have invest much into it, even you started with the $10, only $10, you can start, you can make a confidence while you are investing in this boat. Okay, so I am going to give in this boat absolutely free without any hidden charges. Okay, so I got good response for the last boards I uploaded. Some of you are emailed to me, some of you subscribe my channel. Hope all of you benefited from the free board I given through. So 100% I email to them all the boards which is no cost. The main benefit of giving that I given this board is just want to share my knowledge, just to want to share my experience on it. Okay, I don't want to dump my knowledge within my system itself. So how I benefit from the other investors, other traders, so I get experience from that. I'm sharing you by the way of compiling all the experiences here. So whatever the boards I said here, I already tested minimum of 1 week. After that only I given to you. Okay, so be confident. These kind of indicators, these kind of boards really safe comparatively, just simply putting the martingale strategy or just simply following the digit differs, because the amount of martingale is too high. But in this case of strategies, the risk is very low, trust me. Okay, so make sure you understand the strategy of this board which is most successful, and then don't forget to email me to get this board absolutely free without any hidden charges. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell button. Happy trading!